Hello writers, today you are going to continue typing the draft that you started in class. Right now you're in your day one folder, and let me show you how to get to your document. So if you go up here and click on where it says 5th grade ELA writing, that takes you back to the menu in your writing course. It's in the October writing sample. So you will click on the October writing sample. Yours looks slightly different than mine. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. Yours looks slightly different. You have My Document, so you'll click on My Document, and then over on the right you have Edit. So I'd like for you to get out your writing notebook, and I would like for you to continue typing your draft. If your draft, like let's say that you are only halfway through in your writing notebook, and you type everything that's in your writing notebook and you want to continue to type more on your draft, you can absolutely do that. You can make changes as you type. You can add words, you can take away words, think about punctuation. So I'd like for you to type your draft from your notebook into the Google Doc. Don't click submit. Don't click submit. This is a draft and it is not ready to be submitted. Don't click submit when you're finished typing.